Hello and welcome in today's video about making money with YouCan.shop, or what we call it, affiliate program. In this video, we will explain to you what is an affiliate program and how it helps you increase your income. Main subjects are: what is affiliate program, how you can use it, and how you will be paid out. Let's get started. Affiliate program is a program built to give the ability to stores owners to earn money by promoting YouCan.shop platform. How is that? Easy. Log into your YouCan store. In your dashboard, go to affiliate. Here you have a link. You copy it. You can send it to your friends and invite them to create a store and start an online business. Also, you can post it on social media, create an article or YouTube video or whatever you want. What you gain? For every store created with that link, we share with you 50% of its balance for a period of 6 months. Now, let's explain the affiliate program page. Here, you will have the unpaid earning, means the payout you didn't receive yet. Here is the link to share. Under affiliated stores, you will have all the stores created from your link. For security reasons, we only show you the first and the last letter of the store name. Joined at is the date when the seller joined our platform. Earnings is the total of all the payouts you received or not yet related to the store. Status: this shows the status of the store created via the link, either it's active or expired. In payout history, we have your store payout ID. Process date for payout is the date where the payout is processed, with a processing period between 3 to 6 days, which is usually the first day of the month. Revenue is the total earning that you will receive that month from all the affiliated stores. The status is either paid or unpaid. Kindly note that you will receive the payout of every month on the 25th of the next month. For settings, it gives you the ability to choose whether you want to convert the payout to balance or receive it in your PayPal account. If you want to receive it in your PayPal account, add your email address here, then save. Let's make a test. Copy the link. Let's open a private navigator page. Paste the link. Fill the information required. Wait for a few seconds. Here we have the affiliated store. Let's go back to our store. Affiliate page. In here, we have the store that we just created with the dates, earnings, and the status. That will be all for this video. If you have further questions, do not hesitate to drop them in the comments or send them to our support team via support@youcan.shop. YouCan team, thanks and wish you the best of luck.